अच्छा जी, वेलकम बैक गाइस। अब हम करेंगे प्रेशर क्वेश्चन 6 पेपर 2 5054। लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन 6। यूज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्रेशर फोर्स एंड एरिया to explain why it is harder to cut something with a blunt knife than with a sharp knife. Acha, the only thing which is changing is the area between the blunt knife and the sharp knife. Acha, for example, force same apply हो रहा है. Force supplied to the blunt knife and the sharp knife are same, which is 20 newtons. ठीक है ना? अब हम एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, एक प्रैक्टिकल चीज कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यूज पुट इन कर रहे हैं, हम प्रेशर निकाल रहे हैं। ठीक है ना? एक ब्लंट नाइफ का एरिया 0.4 cm² है और एक शार्प नाइफ का एरिया 0.2 cm² है। सो वी आर अबाउट टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट द प्रेशर इज। अब याद रखना, दोनों पे सेम अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स अप्लाई हो रहा है, तो ठीक है ना? द ओनली थिंग विच इज चेंजिंग बिटवीन देम इज कि ब्लंट नाइफ का जो एरिया है दैट इज मच लार्जर देन द शार्प नाइफ एरिया। तो 20 सेंटीमीटर अगर हम इसका फॉर्मूला में अप्लाई कर दे, 20 न्यूटन डिवाइडेड बाय, पहले ब्लंट नाइफ का कर लेते हैं, 0.4 विल गिव अस एन आंसर ऑफ 50 पास्कल्स। अब हम शार्प नाइफ का कर रहे हैं, ब्लंट नाइफ। अब शार्प नाइफ को कहते हैं प्रेशर इज इक्वल्स टू 20 divided by 0.2, which will give us an answer of 100 pascals, almost double. I mean, not almost double. That is because the area of a sharp knife is much smaller than the area of a blunt knife. अगर आपने एक सुई अपने आप को चुभोई हो गलती से कभी, that is because it is very sharp, it is very thin, and the thinness makes the thinness जो होती है ना, वो एम्पलीट्यूड मतलब इंक्रीज कर देती है, एक्सपोनेंशियली इंक्रीज कर देती है द फोर्स। The pressure is exponentially increased when the area is reduced. ये अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया है। ये शार्प नाइफ होती है, ये शार्प नाइफ होती है, इट इज नाइस एंड शार्प, इट इज वेरी sharp at the edge, while on the other hand जो blunt knife है that is curved out at the end. Circular चीज जो होती है that would not like penetrate as much as a sharp thing. So ये छोटे से क्वेश्चन के लिए मैं इतनी ज्यादा explanation दे दी है. I don't think that was necessary, but I think it was necessary for the explanation of things, for the like clearing out some things like to which would further on like bother you. So that's out of the way. Last time, the smaller the area, the more pressure there will be. So moving on, experimental measurement on gas pressures were made by Robert Boyle. He shows that P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, where P1 and P2 are initial and final pressures of gas, and V1 and V2 are initial and final volumes of gas. State two quantities that must remain constant when this equation is used. अच्छा, two constant quantities which must stay constant are the temperature of gas. अगर temperature of gas is changed, then अच्छा, अगर एक ट्यूब के अंदर टेम्परेचर राइज हो रहा है और उसके अंदर गैस है, एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीज, the molecules have been provided with more energy. When they have more kinetic energy, they will hit the surroundings more. Kinetic energy means they will have more speed and they will hit the surroundings more harder and more often. So, if the temperature is changed, then the whole concept will cease to exist. ठीक है ना? तो टेम्परेचर एक तो हो गया टेम्प, एंड द मास। अगर मास ही चेंज हो जाएगा देन व्हाट? अगर मास चेंज हो जाएगा, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर इसके अंदर एक स्क्वायर है और इसके अंदर 10 पार्टिकल्स है, and the mass is changing, the particles are caping the what do you call it, the sealed container, then how can we get a steady estimation of what the volume and the pressure is, right? We cannot get a steady estimation of that. So mass is another thing, or particles or substance, whatever you want to call it. Anything is accepted if it's in that parameter. So figure 5.1 shows the molecule of a gas as the volume of the gas is halved. Acha, as the volume of the gas is halved, the pressure will increase. ठीक है ना? The equation suggests that the volume of a gas is halved and the pressure doubles. Using ideas about molecules explain why this happens. अच्छा आप ऐसे देख ही रहे होंगे this is a very self-explanatory diagram. The diagram explains everything, right? पहले एक स्क्वायर के अंदर एक वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस के अंदर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 पार्टिकल्स हैं and they have adequate space to move in, right? They have adequate space to move inside. But jab, what do you call it? The volume is decreased. Then they don't have enough space to move in. And when they don't have enough space to move in, they will hit the container or whatever they're in faster and more, not faster, like more frequently. And when they hit it more frequently, the pressure will increase. It's a very simple thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक कमरे के अंदर एक लाइक 2 by 2 मीटर्स के कमरे के अंदर 10 बंदे हैं आई मीन 2 बंदे हैं दे विल नॉट कोलाइड ईच अदर बट अगर एक 1 by 1 मीटर के कमरे में 2 बंदे हैं दे विल कोलाइड मच मोर ऑफन राइट so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that example was not necessary. That was very retarded. So yeah, this is the answer. Molecules hit sides of container twice as many molecules per second hit unit area or molecules hit twice as frequently. So yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.